What's going on? Welcome back. Ryan here. In this video, we're wrapping up this section, which is the options definitions. I'm super excited because we just got through a load of information. I hope you're having fun. I hope you're enjoying it. But to recap everything we did, right? We talked about what options are. We talked about calls and puts. We talked about the options chain. We talked about in the money options. We talked about at the money options. We talked about out of the money options. We looked at option premium. We talked about the bid-ask spread. We learned about volume and open interest. We learned about options leverage. We learned about options expiration. We learned about buy to open, sell to open, buy to close, sell to close. We talked about strike price, intrinsic value, time value. We looked at option exercise, option assignment. We also looked at underlying assets, and we looked at option Greeks. We looked at volatility, implied volatility, historical volatility, and now we're wrapping this up. And in the next video, I'm going to give you a little homework, and then we're going to have an assessment. But this is a really important section, right? There's a lot of definitions and information that we need to be aware of to understand, right, what options are, these contractual agreements that we enter into as buyers and sellers of options, and the way that these options are derived from the underlying price of whatever it is we're trading, right? So we went over a lot of stuff. Again, this is my first attempt to put together a course, and there's a lot of information, right? And I'm still working out my methods of delivery, exactly how I include everything. So if the order of some of these videos doesn't feel right, or you think something might be better in another place, feel free to reach out to me and tell me how you feel. I love hearing from everyone. Your success is my highest priority because I want to see everyone win. I want to see people reach their goals. And I know just how lucrative options trading can be when we put everything in our favor and we learn how all this stuff works the right way, and we prepare ourselves so that we have a better chance of making high quality decisions. So again, I hope that you've learned a lot in this section. I know that I had a great time making these videos, and if you have any questions, reach out. You have any comments, let me know. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video and in the next section, which is when we're going to start talking about specific option strategies and how we look at them and how we use them and how we execute them. So I'll see you there.